In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set any video as your Android home and lock screen wallpaper. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search pixels, select the official site, select here videos, and now search for the video you want. I'm going with nature. Just scroll down and find the vertical video. Select the vertical video you like. I'm going with this one. Select the video. Select this free download option. And it started downloading as you can see. After the download done, go to Play Store and search video live wallpaper and select this app and select install option. After the installation done, open the app. Allow all, give the necessary permissions and click on this three line on the top and select local videos. And now select the videos we downloaded. And if you want audio in your desktop wallpaper, then turn it on. If you doesn't want it, you don't want to turn on. And then scale to fade, make sure it is on and select the set as launcher wallpaper and select this checkmark preview, and this is how you looks like. And check the preview and select set wallpaper. Now you can choose either one of these option guys. I'm going to select home screen only. It's successfully set. Select click on OK and now close the application. And now as you can see, we have successfully set the live wallpaper in mobile phone. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.